Hey guys, Nolan, MarineMax Rogers here. Going to show you this 2025 G25. Start on the outside here. Nice, clean looking boat. You can see with this color, you can see all the accent lines on here. Just beautiful, nice looking boat. Come around back here. You got the 100-year Centennial Edition. And I'm gonna hop on and show you a couple of things I like on the inside. One of my favorite things about the G25s, it's just the massive amount of space in the boat. You can bring 1, 2, sometimes up to 3 families on this thing. You just got tons of space. This rear bench moves up so you have more rear facing seating. You got 2 flip up seats, and just moving through, huge bow area, tons of seating up here. Just a great boat for a ton of people. Another one of my favorite features in these Gs is the fully finished storage spaces. Subfloor ballast, so you don't have sacks in here. You've got room for a ton of stuff. Fully finished in here. You got floor access. This one's got your pillows. Just the amount of storage in these boats and the fact that they're fully finished, lit, there's lights in all of them. I don't have the battery on right now, but just great storage space, great use of space on these boats, and one of my favorite features. Come check it out. MarineMax Rogers.